We've been delighted to welcome the students from Staffordshire University here to Vietnam. It's been a great opportunity for them to come and meet students studying Staffordshire courses here at BUV, but also to explore the country, to explore the potential that Vietnam has.
I love this country. It's such a rich experience being in this country. I loved how I was just immersed in the culture.
A lot of the stuff we've got to experience, I don't think I'd ever see in the UK or anywhere Western.
The culture. Everything from the food to the people, the way that everyone approach you and get along with straight away.
The experience here was very, very pleasant for me. I really enjoyed it, especially the part when we had to go to Mai Châu, when we had to interact with the villagers, when we had to do lots of activities, hands-on activities, and we had to dance a traditional dance. So I think that was the experience that I really enjoyed the most.
I'm really impressed with everything that happened. We had a workshop about tourism, about Vietnam as well. I was really impressed by that and the speaker.
BUV has been absolutely amazing. The staff, especially Chris and Lillian, have given us such amazing opportunities from the north of Vietnam down to the south, and exploring the different areas and seeing the different agricultural and ecology methods that they use here in Vietnam.
I've loved being at the British University of Vietnam. I love the facilities, so there's a lot here that we don't have. So you've got your nap room and a lot of places that you can socialise between different people. In all, the campus is really big, and I love the fact that you've got quite a lot of environmental aspects of the campus as well.
The uni's really impressed me as well. It's really modern. You've got sort of very defined rooms for things, whereas in the UK you've got very much more general rooms. It's just been really mind-opening.